Okay, play video. If you're getting warm, you can undo your.
I feel fine.
Okay. I didn't know we had to put the extra sweatshirt on. So. Should at least open it and show your Spy Ninja shirt. You bump the air.
Yeah, can you bump the air?
Thanks. That knife can go in the kitchen. So this is the new fidget toy. You can talk to the camera a little if you want.
When I fidget, I do not talk.
Okay, well this is going to be a quiet fidget video. Thank you for fidgeting along quietly. Maybe you should learn. Oh, you almost hit yourself and die. Maybe you should learn. At least we had it on camera, right? Maybe you should learn to talk while you're fidgeting, like for the camera.
Then every single time when I fidget off the camera, I will talk.
I don't know. Okay, well, let's not make it complicated.
Oh, and also I was happy on my phone when I got a notification when on my phone, I was happy that I actually saw that someone subscribed to the channel.
When?
Oh, just like a few hours ago.
Somebody
I got an
subscribed?
alert. Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Can I say their name?
No, I wouldn't necessarily say their name.
Okay.
Was it me?
No.
No. Well, I just went through and found a bunch of that have subscribed, and I subscribed to their channels. And because I haven't always done that because I didn't always get the emails. So well, now when I get the emails, I'm trying to subscribe to everybody that subscribes to us. Maybe that'll keep them subscribed.
Well, I finally got one.
So.
Through my phone, and I was happy about that. I finally got one of them through my phone.
So I didn't find all the emails, but I found the last so many emails.
I only got one of them. I kind of wanted to say the name.
Well, what's the name? Is it a common name?
Boss Lady.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. I haven't seen that one.
Funny name, so I wanted to say it. Even though it's not funny, but. So
I tried to, like I said, and when I went through and I subscribed.
I don't get many notification when people subscribe.
Yeah.
So I'm like, when those notifications actually go through my phone, I'm probably gonna shut them out.
No, that's fine.
Yeah. Like kind of what people do, like some of the people who like new subscribe, sometimes they shout them out.
Right.
For like the comment section, so kind of that's what I'm trying to do, but I don't get alert every single time when someone subscribes. But I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try. What?
Nothing. I was just thinking about other stuff.
I saw you staring at me.
I wasn't. I was actually not even looking at you. I really wasn't. I was like, turn that top light off and see how dark it gets. It's not too bad. I can still see your face enough. What do you think? Is that enough? Plus, I got the brightness turned down on this a little, so it's probably making more shadows. but it's highlighting the Figet Toys, which is cool. So it's a Figet Toy video.
What? There's different faces on these little things. One of them are sad. One of them are happy. One of them are like surprised. And then another one is happy. But one of them got teeth showing and the other one doesn't.
Don't swing too much of the song. Even though it's an old song, it's probably still copyright protected.
Don't care. No one won't even know.
Yeah, they will if it catches on there.
I only said 2 lines of it.
No, it's fine. I just said don't sing too much of it. Is all I said.
2 sweet, sweet. Really, that like old, like 100-year-old person would be watching this.
They actually have a lot of it catches it through a computer, especially the music.
I just said like 4 lines of one word out of the
No,
whole
I just
song.
asked you to sing the whole song if you knew it. That's all I said.
All I remember is tooth sweet.
Toot sweet.
Tooth sweet.
It's toot sweet.
I don't care about what I'm saying. See, I can't even say it right, so why would I get copyrighted?
Toot sweet. I just meant if you sang the whole song.
I only know tooth sweet, and I can't say tooth sweet correctly.
Well, I didn't know that. Mrs. Correctly? Good thing you got Figet Toys to keep you quiet.
Well, I only can't be quiet when I play Figet Toys, and you told me, no, you're not allowed to be quiet
Oh,
when
you
you
did
play.
not say that. I just asked if you wanted to talk to your video fans while you were fidgeting, so you could explain the new Figet Toys.
I don't know what this is called, a majiggy thing. This is what I'm calling it.
You said thingamajig.
Thingamajig.
That's what you called it.
That reminds me of a thing of a TV show, Thingamajig.
I have no idea. Never heard of it. Anyways.
Okay, I think I remember the lines. I think one of the person's name is Cat. I don't know.
I have no idea. Let's not talk about TV shows.
Pull the Thingamajig.
That's something different. I don't know what you're talking about.
Pull the Thingamajig.
Okay, whatever.
It's from
That's an old saying. It's not copyrighted. I'm just saying.
It's from Cat and Hat.
That's fine. But the saying's not copyrighted that I know of. I'm just saying it's called a...
Pull the mashigity thing.
A machete? What? Machete?
No.
I don't know what you're saying.
Pull the thingamajig thing.
Thingamajig.
Yes, pull the thingamajig.
Yeah, well, people have said that for 100 years or more.
Well, I heard it from the Cat and
Well, that's fine.
Hat
They heard it from the
went into
writers.
the vehicle.
They heard it from the writers that helped write the show that's probably 100 years old.
And maybe our dad.
It could be by now. But anyways, we're not here to talk about Cat in the Hat.
Whatever. Pull a thingamajig.
I said Cat in the Hat. You didn't catch that.
Yes, a cat.
What do you eat?
I'm hungry.
You're videotaping.
I don't care. I'm
What is that?
hungry.
Peanut butter sandwich with some chips.
Oh.
Give
Ew.
me chippies.
No, you don't need chips in your video. You have Figet Toys.
I can fidget.
You can fidget without eating. Rosie wants a fidget toy. Say, give her that big poppet and see what she does to it. I guess that's a no.
I want a squishy. In this bag, so one of the bag will have all the stuff that I'm fidget trading, and the other one will have all my favorite things in it. And I'm leaving these out of the bag, so maybe the smell can get out of them. They have a powerful smell.
They smell like they're new.
Yes.
You always want to wash your hands when you're playing with your toys, because some of them, who knows what kind of chemicals they treat them with.
They got sealed with this one.
So you always want to wash your hands after you're done playing with your toys, before you eat, or before you touch your hands, your eyes, your nose, your ears, your mouth.
I'm hungry.
I thought you were Project Zorgo. Hungry's a different tribe. Oh.
See, I can actually throw when I get really mad.
Well, you shouldn't hit me there. That's not nice. Throw over here next time.
Sometimes I ask myself, but am I actually setting a good example for my viewers? Sometimes I ask myself that.
Well, I guess you're teaching them to use squishies and fidget toys in case they don't know how.
Give me my dinosaur back.
It's not bothering me.
Give it back.
Use your toys. You got all of them over there. Yeah, show your viewers what happens when you don't get your way.
That happens.
I wasn't being serious. I mean, you're going to be punished to cleaning the garage for the next couple of months until it's done. If you keep screaming like that. And you can wear your Project Zorgo mask. You can call it cleaning out your hideout.
Oh. Really? You miss.
Well, I don't want to hit you in the face. Jesus. Here, let me throw it in and I'll hit you in the face if you want.
Okay. I can play too. I got more squishies than you.
Whatever.
Come on, let's just play catch with one.
No, I don't want to play catch. Play with your fidget toys and
You're
squishies.
mean.
That's very true.
You're very mean. You want to play with the ball squishy?
No.
This dinosaur got a belly like you.
So I'm a big dinosaur.
You can go splat like this. Like the dinosaur.
It's just mean. We could write a song. Everybody squish the dinosaur.
That sounds like Barney.
Da-da-da-da.
Barney the
Everybody
dinosaur.
squish the dinosaur. No, there's some kind of dance song where they talk about a dinosaur. I forget the name of the song.
It's Barney. Barney had
not.
a dinosaur.
It's not him. It was a song. It was in a song.
Put a noodle in his hat and called him macaroni.
No, that was old McDonald. That was Yankee Doodle that did the macaroni thing.
I think it might be copyright.
It might be, but it's old, so I don't know.
But
You saying the name Barney 15 million times.
Barney,
It's probably
Barney,
more
Barney.
copyrighted. But it could be from Fred and Barney, not the dinosaur, right?
Yeah.
You don't even know who Fred and Barney is, do you?
No, but I don't even like Barney the dinosaur, and I don't care if I just offended someone. I don't like it. Same, I
Fred
don't
and
like
Barney's
anime.
from-
I don't like anime. Do
Fred
you
and
hear me?
Barney-
I don't like anime.
Fred and Barney's
My
from
JoJo,
the Flintstones.
whatever. I don't like anime. For my username, Sarah, JoJo123. No, it's not some JoJo character from anime because I don't even know who that is, and I don't like anime. Yeah, and I made that account when I was really little, and it was made off of JoJo Siwa.
Good thing you have all these fidget toys to take away your stress. So you don't have to deal with cope with all that stress.
Yeah, because someone literally came, because I was playing with someone, and then they on that account, and they asked, do you watch anime JoJo? I'm like, nah, I don't like anime.
I just like real anime. Real stuff. No, don't be throwing stuff at me.
I'm like, I don't like anime, and I don't care if I probably offended like 1 million people out there. I don't even think 1 million people watch this, but whatever. I probably offended.
Let's hope someday.
I probably offended a lot of people there, but whatever. I don't like anime. I don't see the blah blah in it. I'm mouth talking to them, and I'm telling them what the deal is. So yeah, shush.
Oh, sorry.
Hopefully they can understand me, but it would probably take you like 1,000 tries to figure out what I'm trying.
As long as I don't think you're being kidnapped. You're not doing the send help sign, are you?
No.
Well, don't confuse people. I'm gonna take a nap now.
Okay. Hopefully you guys understand me. And if you do, wow, good job. If you understand what I was saying, and you poor soul to watch over that 100 million times. You poor soul. Poor innocent soul. I feel your pain when my cousins do that to me. So I feel your pain. My cousins do that to me all the time. So yeah, and I don't know it, so I just talk like that, but I don't know what they're saying, so I can't really respond to them. So it bears well. Whatever it is. I think it's pronounced whatever it is. Whatever it is. Popping. 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 Oh, it reminds me of something that I can't say. Because I'm just like popping, popping, popping.
Mary Poppins?
Popping. Yes! How did you know?
Just a guess.
And I didn't want to say it just in case I got copyrighted.
Oh, you shouldn't get it for just saying a name.
I don't care. It's still dangerous. This world is dangerous to say anything. Tooth, sweet, tooth, sweet, tooth, sweet, tooth, sweet. Yeah. There's no 100. Too sweet, too sweet, too sweet, too sweet, too sweet, too sweet, too sweet. I seriously have a horrible. Hey, Dad, catch! Catch! I'm throwing it now. Catch!
Throw it over here so I don't get hit. Is it my dinosaur back?
Yes, your dinosaur is back. And it's not yours, but whatever. We end the video.
Huh?
Can the video be done? I don't know what to say.
Let's play it a little bit longer. How's that? Supposed to be showing your fidget toys and your puppets.
I don't know how to show it. And I said up here, guys, I got a lot of squishies now, and I love squishies, but I've never had any squishies before. I mean, I had a few, but never any like these. I've actually had one like this before, but I've never had any of these squishies before, not even the dinosaur one, but I'm not too happy with it. And since it's a dinosaur, it can be girls and boys, but they're more for boys for me. But I finally got my dream squishy, what is a strawberry, and also it got some pink and blue in it. Love it. Then I got a cute little panda bear. Woo! Panda bear, panda bear. Who you gonna call is Panda Bear? And then a unicorn with a lot of teal in it. And a beautiful, magical unicorn what can fly. And then there's this little kitty. Daddy, can I show the dinosaur?
Sure. Watch your face.
You miss.
I don't want to hit you in the face. Should have dove for it.
Here's the dinosaur.
You should turn them sideways so people can see them. It's my dinosaur now.
Give it back, or the swarms of the squishies will go
Let's leave
for
it
you.
there for now. Anything else you want to hiccup about?
I didn't even realize that I started hiccuping. Too sweet, too sweet.
Anything else you want to fidget about? You want the video off now? Thank you for subscribing, liking, sharing, commenting, belling. We'll call you Bella if you put the bell on. That's your boy. Then we call you Billy. Benjamin. Yeah, good. Yeah, Benjamin Bell. All right. Hope you had fun. Have a dinosaur to the face.
Bellette. It's Bellette.
Okay. My new kitty. My new kitty squishy toy. My new kitty squishy toy. My new kitty. My new kitty squishy toy. My new kitty squishy toy.
Aim if he doesn't let go of our sister.
Squishy toy.
How about we wait? How about we let? How about I let them see how when they steal the ancient food of the dinosaur and unicorn and kitty panda.
What are you talking about?
Act like you are them, and let's see what happens.
Ethan, eat it.
OMG, no, that human took our enchanted food. Attack!
No.
Yes.
No.
I'm gonna do it lightly.
No.
That what happens.
Okay.
That what happens.
All right.
But way harder.
Okay.
And now I need to collect everyone.
All right. Hold up your fidget thing, whatever it's called.
My Figet Toys or
No,
puppet?
You're what you call it. Puppet.
Puppet.
So we'll X out on a puppet. It's a puppet. Okay, have a puppet. Here,
Okay.
have a puppet for the road.
Hey.
Alright, that's the end of the video.
Did it end?
I'm gonna stop it.
Okay, let me. Wait, I'm throwing. Can they?
They can barely see it.
Oh, really?
Looks like you're trying to juggle. Alright, that's the end of that video, probably. I think it just looks like it looks like you're juggling almost. It does almost look like if you would just catch it and throw it back up, it look like you know how to juggle. Choo, 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 choo.
I can
It's
throw
like she's
them
playing
at
Star
you
Wars.
too.
No, don't throw them at the camera. Alright, that's too far.